Hello, we're riding a motorbike on National Highway 13, heading from Thu Duc to Binh Duong, guys. It's so sunny, guys. The southeast region is really hot. Today we are going to visit Phu Cuong Cathedral. This National Highway 13 is quite wide, and I heard it's going to be expanded even more in the future. On the Binh Duong side, there are lots of tall buildings and very modern, well-built houses, guys. I think this highway is a bit lacking in green trees, but the road is nice and the houses along both sides look really good. We arrived in Thu Dau Mot already. This is Phu Cuong Park. It doesn't look very modern, but at least it has some green space. We are riding along Cách Mạng Tháng 8 Street, and right in front of me is a very massive church. This is Phu Cuong Cathedral, guys. It's so huge that I can't even fit it all into the camera frame. Now we are going around the Thu Dau Mot 6-way roundabout to get to the church gate. It's enormous, guys. I'm standing at the back of the cathedral right now, and it looks like a castle. This is the side of the cathedral, very tall, very grand, new and beautiful. I'm already familiar with this Gothic architectural style, but seeing it on such a massive scale is the first for me. Here's the front, guys. It looks very spacious and impressive, and there's even a driveway leading up. Every structure in here is huge. The steps leading up to the sanctuary are very high. There's grass planted over here too, guys. It feels just like Europe. Honestly, it's hard for any camera to capture the full view because the cathedral is just too large. The area around the statue of Jesus over here is very open and also really spacious. I'm standing on the side, looking out toward the statue of Jesus. I really like this architectural style. It looks perfectly beautiful. Standing next to the church makes me feel so small. The cathedral doesn't look extremely old, but it's beautiful and grand in scale. I think the enormous size of the cathedral reflects two things. First, this is a cathedral church. Second, it reflects the local area's economic success. I've completed a full circle and returned to the bike already, guys. I'm truly overwhelmed by this structure.